Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy setup of the electronic unit controller, also known as the EUC for Copeland Condensing units. This controller provides troubleshooting diagnostics, safeguards, and accuracy in its set points. Let's dive in. The electronic unit controller will always display your current suction pressure. By pressing the up arrow, we can view our current condensing temperature. Down arrow puts us back on our active suction pressure. Down arrow again gives us our current DLT temperature. Up arrow puts us back on our suction pressure. By pressing and releasing the set button, we can actually view what the cut-in pressure is set at. Press set again. This unit is set to cut in at 35 psi. Press set again and the cutout message is displayed. Set one more time, and this unit is set to cut out at 25 psi. And by pressing set one more time, we are back to our current active suction pressure. If you would like to change the cut in or cut out pressures, simply press and hold the set and down arrows together until the cut in message appears. Press set, and you can use the up or down arrows to adjust this parameter to your desired pressure. Press set, and that is now stored in the controller and is toggled to our cutout pressure. Hit set, which is currently set at 25. By pressing the down or the up arrow, you can adjust that parameter to whatever you desire. Press set, and now those parameters are stored in the controller. And by simply waiting 30 seconds, the controller will time out and go back to reading your active suction pressure.
For additional information on the electronic unit controller, please visit copeland.com/EUC.